Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off location on TikTok. So to do that, let's head over to a TikTok application first. And once you're there, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And in here, go to the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now search for location if you can see that. So as you can see, there is no option for location. I'm just heading over to privacy. Here you can see there is option for location services. Head over there. So as you can see, I have turned it off by tapping on never or selecting never. So it says we will estimate your approximate location based on your system carrying information and IP address. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your location on TikTok. Hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video.